So hey, hi everyone, my name is Chetranshu and in this video I am going to share my ideas on why you should stop building your AI startup right now, because it will eventually waste months and years of their time if they are focusing on wrong thing. And this is what I suggest myself. Even I have wrote 6 research papers, worked on multiple startups building AI systems, and what eventually I realize is the core value is not in building AI systems. It is something else. That is what we are going to discuss in this video. So first is stop building wrappers around ChatGPT, LLMs, Gemini, and all those things. What user require is they want a solution for their painful problem. User don't cares about what models you are using. They want is the solution. That is the first holy grail of building a startup. So the first point that I want to share is customer don't want AI. They don't buy AI. If you say your application have this and this AI integrated in your application and this serves this and that, all this technology it uses the MCP, it uses the rack server, customer don't give a shit. What they want is the outcome. They want the solution to their problem. Your application should be reducing the time, it should be saving them the time, it should be saving them the money or the energy, or it should bring some more profits. That is how they are going to buy. If you are selling to student, it should help them learn faster. If you are selling to company, if it is a B2B app, it should help them reduce their support ticket or help them in business somehow. So your focus is to how your application is solving a given problem, not about integrating AI into it. Your startup isn't selling an LLM, remember, it is selling a result. LLM or any other model comes secondary. It is the solution layer that customer don't care about. Using technology nowadays, you can switch these models overnight. So the main focus again should be to build proprietary workflows. Again, I'm focusing on solving a problem a lot. Yes, definitely. That is the main motive of this video, is to solve a real problem. Customer relationship, building customer relationships is again the major part of your startup that you should be focusing on. Third is the domain expertise that you should build around your given problem. If you are building an around education, try to build the domain expertise around that, and your startup, your application should deliver that. Third, fourth, and the most important that I believe is distribution. If you're building an application, if you're launching it today, you should have a network so that you can get your early users and take the feedback from that and improve. Fifth is the data, the information about your users, where your users spend most of their time. Sixth is the integrations, what all things you can integrate to your applications and make it more useful. Third point that I want to make is every founder start with the wrong questions. The model is not the proprietary, or model is not the moat here. What is moat is which customer problem is painful enough that someone will pay to solve it. So there are multiple different models that you can use, but the decision that you have to make is which problem that you are going to choose to solve and for which the users will be willing to pay. Second thing is the distribution is damn hard. So you should start working on it from the day one. Start interacting with your users. Start seeing where your users are spending their time. Go and talk to them and see how you can solve their problem. You can build RAG agents, memory, MCP, tool calling, all this stuff. Doing that is easy, but finding your first 100 paying users is damn hard. You have to show them the results, and that is really very hard. Today, nobody asks which database Uber uses. They ask, can Uber get them home? They ask the solution. They don't ask the tech behind your product. People don't ask which AI it is using. They ask how it is saving them, helping them save money, helping them save time. And over time, what you will realize is most of the demos will never become product. A real product needs authentication, billing, monitoring, reliability, customer support, onboarding, analytics, continuous iterations. These all are required so that you can scale your application. It is all about authentication and all those things that you don't even see. And while building, you focus on some wrong things. You focus on making your app perfect the day one, but that should not be your idea. Your main motive should not to make your application perfect at day one. Your motive should be to solve a real problem, see it working, make it fast so that users use it, make it useful, make it reliable, make it trustful, and get a customer support, right? So there is the where the real value comes. And talk to users before adding another feature, right? Again, the feedback loop. So this comes through the distribution. So for this, you have to build your distribution and all those things. And yes, if you're interested in building AI system, that is damn easy, that we do in a single month on our AI Builder cohort, that we do frequently on our page aibuilder.space. So you can go and enroll there. But understanding this thing, that building startup is not just about building AI system, it is much more than that. So hopefully this video gave you a little clarity on that area. Thanks. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.